Hello. So my name is Krush Agarwal from IT third year. Uh, so the topic of the lecture is understanding sparse index induction with practical examples. So the contents here are introduction, indexing. What is indexing basically? Sparse indexing, dense indexing. Wait a second. चेहरा दिख रहा है क्या? Sparse indexing, dense indexing. Comparison of the sparse and dense indexing. Examples and illustrations, best practices and considerations, summary and conclusions. तो इंट्रोडक्शन इंडेक्सिंग में बेसिकली इंडेक्सिंग की जाती है डेटाबेसेस के अंदर स्पीड ऑफ डेटा रिट्रीवल एंड स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Indexing significantly enhance the speed of data retrieval operations, allowing database to access specific records quickly without scanning the entire data set. Indexes provide a structured framework for data organization, facilitating easier management and retrieval of information within a database system. Sparse index. Sparse index क्या करता है? A sparse index contains entries for only some of the data, reducing storage requirements and improving efficiently for certain type of queries. Okay. Dense indexing क्या होता है? कि dense index have an entry for every key value in their data, enabling faster lookups but requiring more storage space compared to sparse indexing. Sparse में सम ऑफ द डेटा की मतलब सारी एंट्रीज नहीं रखी जाती है, कुछ कुछ एंट्रीज रखी जाती हैं जिसके थ्रू स्टोरेज कम लगती है और एफिशिएंसी इंप्रूव हो जाती है. डेंस इंडेक्सिंग में सारी की वैल्यू पेयर में रखी जाती है इंडेक्सेस, और बट इससे फास्टर लुकअप्स होता है बट स्टोरेज बढ़ जाती है. स्पार्स इंडेक्सिंग जैसा कि स्पार्स इंडेक्सिंग में बताया था पहले, स्पार्स इंडेक्सिंग रेफर्स टू एन इंडेक्सिंग मेथड वेयर ओनली अ सबसेट ऑफ कीज इज stored in the index, allowing for faster searches in large database without indexing every entry. Use cases: commonly used in database with vast amount of data, sparse indexing optimizes search operations and applications such as text retrieval systems and content management systems. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages क्या क्या है इसके? Efficiency of sparse indexing lies in reduced search times since it minimizes the number of index entries, allowing quicker access to relevant data. Okay. Sparse indexing significantly lowers memory usage compared to dense indexing as it avoids storing every possible key, making it more suitable for large data sets. Maintenance of sparse index can be simpler, however, updating the index can be challenging during insertions and deletions, possibly requiring rebalancing or adjustments. Dense indexing. So here, in dense indexing, what is dense indexing? As um, as stated, as stated earlier, dense indexing refers to an indexing technique where an index entry exists for every search key value in the data file, allowing for rapid retrieval of records. Use cases क्या क्या हैं इसके? Common use cases include database management systems and applications where quick access to record is critical, such as e-commerce platforms or data warehouses. Fast access, space requirements and complexity. सो फास्ट एक्सेस हो सकता है इस चीज़ का, मतलब डेटा को फास्टली एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए होती है बट कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बहुत बढ़ जाती है. एक टेबल के अंदर जैसे एक टेबल बनाएंगे उसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लिखी जाती है जिसकी ज़रूरत भी नहीं है अपन को. कंपैरिजन ऑफ स्पार्स एंड डेंस इंडेक्सिंग. Retrieval speed and update speed. Retrieval speed refers to how quickly data can be accessed through an index. Sparse indexing can lead to faster retrievals in large data sets due to fewer index entries compared to dense indexing. Update speed measures the efficiency of making changes to the index as data is added or modified. Dense indexing often requires more overhead to maintain, potentially slowing down updates. Small versus large databases. In small databases, dense indexing may be preferred for its simplicity and speed. However, in large databases, sparse indexing can significantly enhance performance and resource usage. Read heavy versus write heavy. What is read heavy and write heavy? Read heavy applications benefit from indexing strategies that prioritize fast retrieval, often favoring sparse indexing. Conversely, write-heavy applications need efficient update mechanism, making dense indexing more appropriate. Examples and illustrations. So examples can be example setup. A sparse index typically includes an index entry for starting points in a database, providing an overview without detailing every single entry, making it efficient for larger datasets. This section will break down the visualization of the sparse index, showing how entries point to actual data records, enhancing understanding of its functionality and advantage in data retrieval. Example setup. In contrast to sparse indexing, a dense index contains an entry for every record, ensuring quick access but requiring more space, which is crucial for precise data queries. Step by step illustrations होते हैं. तो वो क्या होते हैं? Here we provide a visual representation of a dense index structure, illustrating how consistently spaced entries lead to efficient data searches for each individual record within the data set. Best practices that can be done and considerations. Database size. Understanding the scale of a database is crucial as it influences performance indexing strategies and the selection of data management tools appropriate for handling large data sets. Query patterns. Analyzing how queries are executed helps in optimizing SQL performance. Different patterns like read heavy versus write heavy operations dictate the indexing approach to adopt. Combining index types. Utilizing multiple indexing mechanisms can enhance data retrieval speeds. This approach balances the strength and weakness of various index types tailored to specific queries. Adaptive index strategies. Implementing adaptive indexing allows databases to evolve based on usage patterns, dynamically adjusting indexing to optimize performance while reducing maintenance overhead. Summary and conclusion. Basically, the end. Sparse indexing highlights. Indexing reduces storage requirements by only maintaining indexes for a subset of data. It can enhance search speed but can be less efficient in retrieving non-indexed items. Dense indexing highlights. Dense indexing includes an index entry for every search key. This structure allows for faster lookups at the expense of increased storage, ensuring comprehensive data retrieval. In conclusion, the choice between sparse and dense indexing relies on specific application needs. Understanding their strength and weakness aids in effective data management strategies. Thanks for the lookup about this PPT.